Hi, I'm Steve, and today I'll be making homemade gnocchi. For today's ingredients for this meal, we will be using butter, Parmesan cheese, a bowl of fresh peas, zest of a lemon, olive oil, 1 egg, ricotta cheese, flour, salt, fresh thyme, lastly fresh pepper. What you want to do is dump the ricotta cheese into the bowl. Add salt, add fresh pepper, add fresh thyme, add fresh Parmesan cheese, and lastly 1 scrambled egg. Lastly, add flour. Mix it all together. Add some flour on your work area. Now empty the bowl on the table. Now form the dough into a ball. Now cut a piece of the dough. Now roll it into a strip. Now cut the dough into small pieces. Take your finger and press down in each piece. Now take each piece and place it on a cookie sheet and repeat the process, and then you're done. Now add the pasta to the boiling water. Pasta is ready. Add some olive oil to the pan. The pasta is going to cook in the pan for about 5 minutes. Add the butter to the pan. Now add the peas. Now add some lemon zest. The pasta is done. Now put it in the bowl. And finally, the Parmesan cheese. Homemade gnocchi with fresh peas. Bon appetit.